Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your favorite pendeja. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make the little wedding fingers, the deditos. What are they called? Mexican wedding fingers, deditos, fingers, whatever. Powdered sugared cookies. I don't know. Butter. You're gonna use them. So for the ingredients, we're gonna use pure vanilla. This one's from Mexico. You can buy it on Amazon. We normally go to Progreso and get it. Some all-purpose flour, gold medal brand. Pecans, normally we get the ones that are crushed, broken halves, whatever, and we use those, but we're gonna have to do it ourselves because there was none. This 1 pound of unsalted butter, any brand, we like this brand, it's our preferred. Salt and powdered sugar. So you're gonna put 1 cup of powdered sugar in here, and then you're gonna mix it for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and chop them in the blender. Okay, now we're gonna mix it. A la pinche verga. And tablespoons of vanilla extract. Spoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. Add your 2 cups of pecans. And then you're gonna blend it, and it's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look with. Sift 5 cups of flour. So if you don't have a sifter, you need one, and then you go like this. Wash your hands, and you need kneading, masa. Fuck, I don't know. You just do this. And is it supposed to stick to your hands? No, I don't know. We're gonna put more here. That's why we're gonna put more.
Ready, go.
Guys, we're having technical difficulties with the other sifter. So if you don't have one of these, just do this. And it's probably better. And then you just keep sifting. I mean, massaging. Okay, stop. I think I broke a nail in there. Just kidding. This is the 3rd cup, and I'm just netting away.
Stop it.
There. Stop. And spray your cooking sheet with butter as much as you want. Grab some from here, roll it in a ball, and then you roll it into a weenie, and like that. Some we don't discriminate.
We used to do them like this.
Yeah, we don't like that. That looks really scary.
Like a little half moon.
Like a what?
Half moon.
If you don't know how to make these, you can make the little balls. Put your timer for 15 minutes. And then put them in your oven. These are looking good.
And it won't burn, thank you very much.
So I just took them out of the oven. Do not come for this pan. We bake a lot. And, Grandpa, so these, you cool them down. They're already golden brown. We're going to let them cool. Then we're going to transfer here. And then we'll put them in powdered sugar.
Hush, little one.
Oh, thank you, Grandpa. So, guys, now I'm going to transfer this into the powdered sugar. Grandpa already tried one on TikTok, and he liked it. So, normally I would do this with my hands, but I don't want y'all to come for me because my families are going to eat them. And COVID. You go like this, and then you just set it down. It's okay if the sugar gets everywhere. This is a mess, but they're good. Fast forward 5 seconds if you are scared to see me use my hands. This is what you do. It's so much easier with the hands. Plus, my family's eating them. My hands are clean. I already washed them. So much better. So make sure that you have to let them cool down before you put the powdered sugar. These are already really cold, and they're looking really good, guys. So my mom used to make these for me when I was a kid for all my teachers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish these off, and this is what they're supposed to look like. Super, super good and yummy. And that's the powdered sugar, and then just dip them in there and do that, and then that. Taste test.
Oh, just you have a little white stuff on your face.
Are they good or you're lying?
No, good.
Okay, Alex, you're next.
We're really good. Oh my God, Betty White, is that you?
What? Betty Crocker.
She's dead.
Joseph, no, she's not. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm closing this out because then I don't close it out. And then what happens?
You need closure.